Good day, my wonderful viewers. Once again, you are welcome to Christopher Education. In our mathematics class today, we shall be looking at triangles of polygons. Now, remember in our previous class where we talked about polygon and we described polygon as a plane figure or a plane shape with 3 or more straight lines. Now, if we watch here in this case, now a triangle is a good example of a polygon. Now, we shall be looking at how to solve some problems relating to triangles of polygons. Now, if you watch our example here, which is the A part, you will see that we have a question on a triangle where we are asked to find the value of m degree. Now, this is a Waec review standard question when it comes to asking questions on triangles of polygon. We also have the example B where we are asked to find x. Now, this x here is an angle which is in the form of what? An isosceles triangle. Also, we have here as what? C. We are asked to find what? C, which is also an isosceles triangle. So now, with the review of what we have known as it concerns triangles, we'll be able to see how we'll be able to solve this given problem. Now, we must understand that the sum of an angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. And the angle at a point, like I said before, is 360 degrees. Now, let us see how I can use these basic principles in solving these questions on a triangle. Also, don't forget that the angle in a straight line is equal to what? 180 degrees. So now let us see what we can do here. Now we have solution to example A. I have it as EGA. Solution to example A. Now in solving this, now look at this triangle. If we have this triangle in this manner, this is the triangle, and we'll have here as our M, and here is our angle 90. Now, if this is angle 90, and we'll have here as 33 degrees, here is 33 degrees, and here is 22 degrees. Now, to find this angle M degree, what do? We divide this angle of this right angle triangle. If we divide it to this, we will have here as 45 degrees. We'll also have here as 45 degrees, because half of 90 is what? 45. So the angle here we don't know, and the angle here we don't know. Now let us call the angle here A and the angle here B. Remember, what you are looking for is what? Is M. Now, to get our M, we'll say IE that the sum of angle in a triangle is equal to what? 180 degree. So we have it that sum of 33 degree plus 45 degree is plus A degree will give us everything equals to what? Equals to 180 degree. 180 degrees is the sum of an angle in a triangle. Now, when we add up these two things, we'll have it that 33 plus 45, we'll have here as, if this is 5, we have 6, 7, and what? We have here as what? 8. Then we have 4 plus 3, we have here as 5, 6, and what? 7. We have here as 78 plus 8 is equals to 180. So we'll say IE. To get A, now we'll move this one here for it to become 180 degree minus what? 78, which is equals to A. Now, if we do that, we'll have it at 180 minus 78, we'll have here as 10. 10 minus 8 will give us 2. Then we'll have here remaining 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. We have here as 0. Then our 1 is equals to what? A. So our A is 102 degree. So the next one we shall look for is the B. The next one we shall look for is the B. Now, to get our B, we have it that our B will be IE 45 degree plus 22 degree plus B is equals to 180 degree. Now, when we add both of them together, 5 plus 2 will give us 7. 4 plus 2 will give us what? 6. We have it as plus what? B equals to 180 degree. So what do? We move this 67 to this side. It will become 180 degree minus 67 to give us what? B. This is our B. Let us don't forget that this is our B. If this is our B, now to get this B, 180 minus 67, we have here as 0, put 1 here, here becomes what? 10. Now 10 minus 7 will give us 3, remaining 7 here. 7 minus 6 here will give us 1, then we have 1 is equals to B. So our B is 100 and what? Is 113 degree. So if we have it that our A is 102 degree and our B is 113 degree. Now remember that the sum of an angle at a point is equals to what? 360 what? Degree. So we'll say therefore this 113 degree plus this 102 degree now plus our m degree, because m is what we are looking for, will now be equals to 360 degree. So what do we now do? We have this plus this. This plus this will give us 3 plus 2 will give us 5. 1 plus 0 will give us 1. Then 1 plus 1 will give us what? 2. We have it as 215 plus m what? Degree is equals to 360. So what do? We move this one here. So if we move this one here, it becomes what? 360 minus 215 is equals to m degree. Now, if 360 minus 215 is equals to m degree, so we have it that 0 minus 5 it cannot. We borrow 1 from 6 and put it here. Here becomes 10. 10 minus 5 gives us 5. We have 5 here. Now remaining 5 here. 5 minus 1 here. We have 4. We have 4 here. We have 4 here. 5 minus 1. Remaining 4. We have 4 here. Then 3 minus 2 will give us 1. Will give us 1, which is now equals to m degree. So our m degree is equals to 145 degree. Look at it here. So our m here in degree is equals to 145 degree. Remember that the sum of angle at a point is 360 degree. Angle in a triangle is 180 degree. Now we divide this right angle triangle, which is angle 90, into 2. If we divide it into 2, it gives us what? 45 what? 45. We'll find the angle here, which is B. We'll find the angle here, which is A. And at the end of the day, the sum of the angle here plus this angle here plus this one gives us what? 360 degree. In adding all the angles, our m degree becomes 145 degree. Now to solve for the other triangle, which is the example B, for the EGB, for the example B, we have this triangle. We have the triangle where here is 28 degree, and here is what? Our x, and this angle is equals to this angle. To find this angle, now we must understand that if here is 28 degree in an isosceles triangle, here is an isosceles triangle, that the opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. In an isosceles triangle, opposite angles are what? Equal. So if this side is equals to this side, these two angles are equal. So therefore, if here is 28, here also now will be 28. Here also will be 28 degree. So now, to get our x, sum of an angle in a triangle is 180 degree. We say IE 28 degree plus 28 degree plus our x is equals to 180 degree. So we'll have it that 28 plus 28, 8 plus 8 will give us 16. We have 6, we carry 1. We have 6, we carry 1. 2 plus 2 will give us 4 plus 1, which is what? 5. We have it as 56 plus what? X is equals to 180. So we'll move this one here. If we move this one here, we'll have it that our x will now be equals to 180 degree minus 56 degree, which is now equals to 180 minus 6. We have here as 10. If we go 1 from this 8, if we go 1 from 8, here becomes what? 10. 10 minus 6 will give us 4. Then we have 7 remaining here. 7 minus 5 will give us 2. Will give us 2. Will give us 2. Then 1 is remaining here. We have it as what? 1 here. Which is 124 degree. So our x here is equals to 124 degree. Now for the example B, example C, e.g. this is C. For the example C, in order for us to solve the example C, look at this. We are asked to find C degree. To find this, we have it that the sum of an angle in a straight line is what? 180 degree. If this is an isosceles triangle, remember that in an isosceles triangle, that the opposite angles are what? Are equal. That is, this angle and this angle are equal to what? Each other. So we can decide to call this place what? We can decide to call this place A, and here also A. We'll call here A, we'll call here A. If we call both sides what? A, we have it that IE, that A plus 160 degree will be equals to 180 degree. Angle in a straight line. A plus A will give us what? 160 degree. Will give us A plus 160 will give us 180. Angles what? In a straight line. So we have here to be what? 2A plus 160 equals to 180 degree. So what do? Move this one here. Our 2A will now be equals to 180 degree minus 160 degree, which will now give us equals to our 2A to be equals to 180 minus 160. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 6 will give us 2. Then 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So have here as 20 degree. So this 20 divide here by 2, divide here by 2. This cancel this. Our A now will now be equals to 10 what? Degree. So our A is equals to 10 degree. That is when we say 20 divided by 2. So now if here is 10 and here is 10, so we have that the sum of this angle here, 10 plus 10 gives us what? 20. And to get our C, it will now become IE. We'll now have it that our C will now be plus 2A, because the 2A is the sum of all these two angles. We have it that our C will now be plus our C will now be plus 2A, which is equals to 180 degree. Sorry. C plus 2A equals to 180 what? Degree. And our 2A will be C plus 2A is what? Is 10. A is 10. So 2 times 10 will give us what? 20 degree equals to 180 degree. So our C will now be equals to 180 degree. Will now be equals to 180 degree minus 20 degree. C now will now be equals to 180 minus 20 degree will now give us we have here 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 2 is what? Is 6, and I have it as 160 degree. That's our answer. So our C is equals to 160 degree. So this is 160 degree. So this is it on triangles of a polygon. If you watch here, we have our activity where the A said that we should find M when we have this triangle, and also here we should find N when we have this kind of triangle. Good luck as you try to sort out this activity, and make sure you subscribe to this channel as we keep bringing you more of these topics on mathematics and physics. Thank you very much.